Crying is a baby's way of talking. Since they cannot speak, they use crying to tell you they need something. Many parents worry when their baby cries a lot, but in most cases, it is completely normal. Crying is a normal part of babyhood. Some babies cry more than others to express their needs. One of the most common reasons babies cry is hunger. They need regular feeding, and crying is their way of asking for it. A wet or soiled diaper can make a baby uncomfortable. Checking and changing diapers regularly can help keep them happy. Babies cry when they are tired but cannot fall asleep. Creating a calm and quiet environment can help them sleep better. Sometimes, babies just want to be held and feel safe. Holding them close or using a baby carrier can provide comfort. Some babies cry a lot due to colic, which causes stomach pain. Gentle rocking may help ease discomfort, along with warm baths or soothing sounds. Happy Tummy Belly Wrap soothes gas, colic, and tummy pain. It uses a warm herbal pouch with no chemicals. Simply heat the pouch and wrap it around the baby's belly. The warmth and gentle pressure help calm fussiness. Loud noises, bright lights, or too many people can overwhelm a baby. Moving them to a quiet place can help calm them, making them feel safe and secure. Babies also cry when they are bored. Giving them a toy or talking to them can keep them engaged, helping them feel entertained and comforted. After feeding, babies may swallow air, causing discomfort. Burping them gently can help relieve gas and prevent fussiness or spitting up. Babies cry when they are too hot or too cold. Dressing them in comfortable clothes and checking the room temperature can help. When babies start teething, their gums hurt, making them fussy. Giving them a teething toy to chew on can soothe them. Babies feel secure with a routine. Feeding, sleeping, and playing at the same times each day can help reduce crying. It is normal for babies to cry, but understanding why they cry can help parents respond better, making them feel secure and cared for.